Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also, general reading, pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message sa inyo or magpa-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng mga services. No? Mag-ingat kayo sa mga nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH. Yan po ay mga scammer. So, ingat kayo. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, meron tayong information dyan or message nyo ako. Kaya lang sa ngayon kasi fully book na yung January. Okay, so mag-open na lang ako ng para sa February. So, abangan nyo na lang yan. Okay? Para sa mga interesado lang. So, Gemini, next 6 months. What's the energy for Gemini next 6 months? The stars. Wow, the stars are going to align para sa mga goals mo. I feel like you're going to build something, no, in the next 6 months. Building your dream life, building your dream house, building your dream career or dream business. Some of you, if you are feeling called to get an astrology reading in the next 6 months, do it kasi malaking tulong yun talaga sa inyo, especially on self-discovery and also alignment, no, sa inyong purpose. Oh, 'di ba? Oh my God. You have the North Node. So, North Node is about your destiny. 12th house. Some of you, Gemini, marami kayong psychic abilities or yung bang malalim kayong mag-isip. Some of you are very spiritual or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, if you feel na parang hindi naman kayo ganun, in the next 6 months, you will undergo a spiritual awakening. Some of you, yun ang yun ang inyong linya. Oo. If you are called to do spiritual work, do it, no? Kasi pwedeng ito ang magbibigay rin sa inyo ng abundance sa inyong life, no? With the Taurus energy here. Because Taurus, it rules money, it rules resources. Okay? Let's see ano pa. Next 6 months, you have the full moon. Oh, sakto ngayon, full moon ngayon eh. Full moon in Cancer. Habang nire-read ko to. But of course, since this is a timeless reading, pwede nyo ito panood anytime. But this is also an energy of celebration, celebrating your accomplishments. So in the next 6 months, you will celebrate yung mga accomplishments mo na sinimulan mo ngayon. Ang time na napapanood mo tong reading na to. Yung iba sa inyo, literal na meron kayong merong a-attendan kayo na yung mga bonfire. Oo. Pwede pupunta kayo sa isang place na may bonfire and you will celebrate with your friends, your family. Some of you, lalo na kung kayo ay into spirituality or may pinapractice ka na you are a spiritual practitioner. Some of you will do rituals na magli-lead sa success pagdating sa mga pinapangarap mo. You also have waning crescent. This is about taking a rest. Importante rin na ino-honor mo yung sarili mo, yung katawan mo as a vessel, as a sacred vessel na kailangan mo siyang alagaan, no? Kumbaga sa sasakyan, 'di ba? Yung mga sasakyan, dinadala tayo niyan sa mga lugar na gusto nating mapuntahan. Pero kung hindi natin 'to aalagaan, walang mga maintenance, pwedeng tumirik 'yan sa daan, 'di ba? So ganoon din yung ating katawang lupa. So in the next 6 months, I see you na taking care of yourself, especially your mental health, no? Oo. Yan yung isa sa kasi alam nyo, yung ating mental health, it also reflects sa ating physical body. Meron niyang physical manifestation. Let's see. Okay. Ang dami. You have the Ten of Pentacles, financial stability in the next 6 months. Meron ka talagang i-build na career or business na makikita mo kaagad yung resulta in the next 6 months for as long as you were going to do the work, no, with the Nine of Wands here. Ang Nine of Wands kasi is strength, no, resilience, na kahit na may mga challenges, wala, hindi ka nagpapatalo. Talagang laban kung laban. You also have the Three of Cups, so this is celebration. Maaring meron kang mga achievements in the next 6 months. You feel so aligned with your purpose in the next 6 months. And then the Apprentice of Swords is you learning new things. I also see you discovering more about yourself. So this is focused on self-discovery and self-alignment. Dahil nga rin sa North Node energy mo dyan. Let's see what else sa inyong kaperahan. Kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Gemini. In the next 6 months, what is the energy? Career advancement, career growth. 'di ba? So, kung kayo nagsisimula ngayon sa trabaho, sa business nyo, may kita nyo agad yung pag-angat, pag-unlad. Some of you may pagka-perfectionist. Parang importante is you know what you want. At nagtitake ka ng action dun sa goal mo. Di ba may pa-altar nga dito? Meron kang special space to have a quiet meditation as you connect to your higher self. So, yun nga. Some of you talaga are very spiritual here. Kahit ano pa yung fina-follow ninyo na religion or spiritual beliefs, you are someone na very much connected to your higher self. Some of you naman will also do mga manifestation rituals in the next 6 months that will help you manifest your dream life. You have, sa relationship, may flirting dito. Okay, may flirting. So, some of you, Gemini, ingat sa mga, yung mga relationships na sala-salabat. Okay, yung mga entanglement. Kasi, pwedeng yan yung somehow makagulo sa mga plano ninyo. Especially kung yung bang mga plano nyo, lagi nyong kinukwento sa mga taong nakikilala ninyo. Be careful in sharing your plans, your goals, kasi hindi naman lahat yan gusto yon para sa iyo 'Di ba? Na parang kaya nga that is your way to protect your pangarap. To just keep quiet, no? Kahit na meron pa kayong romantic connection ng taong 'yan. Kasi most of the time, yung mga 'yan, sila pa yung kontra. Pwedeng hindi nila openly sinasabi sa iyo na kontra sila sa plano mo or sa ginagawa mo or they don't believe in you. But energetically, 'di ba? So be careful in disclosing yung mga ganon sa iba. And then also, yung bang yung iba sa inyo mami-misinterpret kayo no? It's either mami-misinterpret ka ng iba dahil pwedeng marami kang pinapakitaan ng kabutihan or interest. So, be careful din kasi baka merong ma-fall sa'yo tapos hindi naman pala yun yung intention mo. Magkaroon ng confusion sa relationship. And vice versa. Yan, protection. Protect your energies, Gemini. The more na mas tahimik ka about your goals and your dreams, your plans, the more na mas protektado ka. Mortality. This is about your na realization na tao ka lang, no? Kumbaga, tao tayo na meron tayong mga limitations na yes, we are divine. We are divine as well, no? But meron tayong mga limitasyon dito sa mundo. That's why we also have to take care of ourselves, no? Ang sarili natin. Uy, may luck, may swerte talaga, ang ganda. So for you, Gemini, maganda to kasi nag-align to sa mga goals ninyo. Kumbaga, you will do the work and at the same time, bubudburan ka rin ng good luck ng universe, 'di ba? So, that's a great energy for you to work on in the next 6 months. Let's see what else you have. Oh, stay in integrity. Ito yung ano, mas maganda pa rin daw na yun, may integridad, no? Tayo whenever we do something for ourselves or para sa trabaho or even if we connect with other people. Para ano rin, hindi rin tayo mas kukontrahin ng ibang tao dahil we live in integrity. Oo, celebration talaga. Merong major celebration. What is this celebration? 11th house. I feel like meron kang wish fulfillment. Meron kang wish na matutupad in the next 6 months. This can be related na sa destiny mo talaga. Oo. This is Mars energy. This is your intensity, your passion, your action. And then in the 5th house, oh, okay. Eto ha, hindi naman para sa lahat. But for some of you na gustong magkaanak, no, in the next 6 months, I see a positive energy pagdating sa baby. Oo, sa birth. Yan. And this can also mean sa pagiging creative mo, mas magiging intense yung passion, yung focus pagdating sa passion mo, sa abilities mo, sa creativity mo in the next 6 months. So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.